What's going on, everybody? This is the Crypto Crow. Are you as emotional as I am and tried your hand at manually trading highs and lows or using various indicators to improve your bag size, only to second guess yourself at every turn, ultimately causing you to make mistakes and bad trades? Yeah, me too. And that is why this video is going to help you unlock a whole new world that you may have been thinking was completely fake or impossible or just not real. But bot trading is a real thing, and it actually works quite well. Here, I'm going to show you a variety of algorithmic trading bots, how they work, and which ones may complement your skill levels the best to ensure you don't waste your money. No two trading bots are built the same and cater to different people. By the time we're done here, you're going to better understand how trading bots work and which one should be right for you. Bot trading originally began as early as the 1930s, and at inception was the type of thing only major investment firms were able to afford. Powerful computer systems that searched for patterns and market conditions and traded on them automatically. Some of the high-frequency trading bots would cost 6 to 7 figures and were owned by very few. Today, trading bots have grown exceedingly more powerful with near endless functions and features to help you capitalize on trends, indicators, and market patterns. Some bots are downloadable and others stay up in the cloud and are accessed from a web browser. Some are one-time purchases and others require a monthly subscription. The goal being to generate at least 1% on your base pair trade while executing as many trades as possible. Before we dive into different trading bots, let's look at some of the common indicators and how they help traders day trade. The 13/34 exponential moving average crossover. Here's an example of the 13 and 34 EMA. Without getting overly technical, the 13 EMA is faster than the 34, and when it crosses up or down under the 34, it indicates a potential trade. If the 13 crosses down, it indicates a potential sell opportunity and a buy opportunity if it crosses up. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is another indicator that tells us when something is overbought or oversold. When the RSI reaches a certain height, it's showing a sell opportunity. If it drops to a certain low, a potential buy opportunity. Used in conjunction with an EMA cross, can establish confluence that further strengthens the signal, with longer time frames or candles being the most accurate. There are many other indicators, each with their own variables that can be tweaked for your trade style. Algorithmic trading bots are basically set to trade the markets of your choice based on the indicator and relative variables you set for it. It removes emotional frustration or second guessing and simply trades the market as it's told to. None of them are set it and forget it, as market conditions change, and what you set for a bear market will likely be different than when in a bull market. Trading bots generally have a variety of methods for operation and will also have different exchanges they operate on, such as Coinbase or KuCoin, etc., each having their own trading fees, which should also be considered, as trading with lower fees means easier profits. Cloud-based bots like a Profit Trailer or 3 Commas work in the cloud, which saves you on monthly VPS fees, but may not be as secure or fast as bots you run on a VPS located in the same place as your exchange server. You're also trusting a cloud-based database to store your exchange APIs, which is a security risk. Bots such as CrowTrader are downloadable and operate from your desktop or VPS and are a one-time purchase instead of a monthly subscription. Other features of a trading bot are things like backtesting and paper trading. Backtesting is when you select an indicator, and as you are tweaking your settings, you're able to test your overall strategy against historical price action of an asset. If you notice a strategy could perform better by changing something, you can do so and run another test to find out if you're right. Once a strategy and its settings look good, you can then paper trade, which means to run the bot in a simulation against live market conditions without actually risking any capital. This is key to finding good strategies for trading pairs. CrowTrader offers these functions in their free evaluation download. You can try anything for free except live trading. It's something I refer to as treasure hunting, because you're trying to find that trading pair with the right strategy on the right time frames, and if you find a good one, it's like discovering treasure. When trading with a trading bot, you want to maximize the number of trades you make in a short time. In any markets, especially crypto, prices can drop or rise in an instant. And if you were using the bulk of your capital on a single trade or strategy, you could tie up your funds in a bag rather quickly. That's not good. So if I were trading with $500, for example, I would start a trading strategy with just $10 and run a 10-tier 1% dollar cost average or more. So if my bot buys $10 of an asset and the asset drops 1% before it rises 1%, it doubles down, ultimately lowering my average buy price and keeps lowering my average buy price, which makes it easier to sell when the prices go back on the rise. At 10 tier 1% DCA, I'm able to trade 5 assets with $500. As you make trades, what you have in your assets can accumulate and you add a 6th trading pair and so on. Here are some of the trading bots on the market worth looking into, in my opinion. I used to be a power user of Profit Trailer years ago before they went cloud-based. It was an amazing bot and may still be, though it's much more complicated to use, and they changed from a one-time purchase to a monthly subscription, which pushed me away. Other bots include Crypto Hopper and 3 Commas, which are both cloud-based bots with subscriptions. Before Profit Trailer, I tried Gunbot, but at the time it was insanely difficult to use. After using different bots, I had my own developed called Crow Trader, which I've referenced in this video. It's a downloadable, one-time purchase bot that just about anyone can use effectively out of the box. The more you learn, the more potential profits you can make, but I've ran tests with out-of-the-box settings and a default Bollinger Band strategy and made profit. Believe it or not, trading what we refer to as crap coins can be very lucrative if your base pair is Bitcoin or Ethereum. Many of these have prices that are a fraction of a penny, and the ones trading with high volume can fluctuate in price drastically. The higher the volatility of an asset, the more potentially profitable they can be against a less volatile base pair. Your base pair is whatever you're trying to accumulate more of long term, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Cardano. So you're starting with maybe $500 in Bitcoin and trading another asset with it, trading its swings in price against Bitcoin over and over again. There is risk versus reward with crap coins, however, as some bots buy them at the top of a pump and then they plummet down and stay for a while until they're pumped up again. Another feature you want to look for in trading bots are trailing. Trailing is when a start price for entry or exit is hit, but the trailing function will tell the bot not to take action just yet. In other words, if I'm trading on a Bollinger Band strategy and the price is at the bottom of the band, my bot may buy. However, if I set a 0.1% trailing on buy, the bot will wait until the price is either dropped by 0.1% or risen and continue waiting until the trailing cycle has concluded. This is more effective on smaller time candles. The bot will follow the price down until it upticks, getting you in at a better price. The opposite is also true for the upward price and selling. One potentially good thing with cloud-based trading bots can be the community and strategy pools. Some bots offer a means for power users with effective strategies to share these strategies for adoption by other bot traders, either for a purchase price or a cut of the profits in some cases. I never sold or sell strategies, but some make a good living from that, while others are more easily able to jump into bot trading with proven strategies others have developed. I personally love using DCA in my bot trading strategies, and I believe it's more lucrative. However, some, like in manual trading, prefer getting out of a downward trend and pulling their assets at a loss before getting stuck with a bag of an asset they don't particularly care for. To do this, they use a stop loss. A stop loss can be set to exit a position automatically if it drops by a specified percentage, freeing up your capital for another entry. However, with a trading bot, doing this repeatedly can be costly over time. In a bear market, when the trend is generally down, DCA can get maxed out pretty quick, depending on the tiers you set. The more, the better, generally, but it isn't fail-proof, which is why I typically only trade assets I actually like, just in case. A stop loss is a surefire way to get out of something early if things go down. Overall, I love bot trading, and while there are a growing number of options to choose from, few of them are, in my opinion, worthwhile. Buying the most powerful bot in the world means nothing if you can't figure out how to use it, and buying the most simplistic bot in the world means nothing if you can't figure out how to configure it the ways you want. I am, of course, biased because I love using Crow Trader, but my team and I have worked on making it the most powerful but easy to use bot on the market. You can test it yourself for free. I don't need your money. Try it. Free. However, if you're wanting a cloud-based, lower upfront cost bot with a monthly subscription, then you may like something like Profit Trailer or 3 Commas. Make sure you get used to back testing and playing with settings and understanding what each one does before committing to live trades in real capital. I've had days where I've made $1,500 in profit and weeks I've made very few trades. That's all for this video, so thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Until next time, crow your coins.